Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a Alibaba Cloud Lingma tool here, which is an AI coding assistant similar to ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot, Claude or Gemini tools. So just go to alibabacloud.com and Lingma. You can even search this Alibaba, as you all know, it's a Chinese company. If you just write Alibaba Cloud Lingma, this is the tool. The very first link which comes, this is AI coding assistant, and you can get started for completely free right here. And if you check out the pricing model, you will see in the free model you can get code completion in real time, AI chat, all this stuff. So just log in with your Google account, and so once you sign up right here, you just need to select the country here and just simply sign up. So you can even go to extensions, and right here you can simply type here Lingma. I think, yeah, so this is the extension. It's used almost 1 million installs. So it's a simple VS Code extension. You just need to activate this. So once you activate this extension, you will get suggestions, and it's developed by Alibaba Cloud. Here you will see that it's an official extension. So once you activate this, on the right hand side corner of the screen, you will see this option appearing. So just wait for the extension to install. So unfortunately for my country, India is not available right here. So I think I can't create a free trial account here. But just select your own country right here, sign up right here, enter passport right here, and simply click on sign up. And then it will give you 7-day free trial, and you can experience this product. So once you activate this extension, you will see this will come right here in the sidebar section. So just activate this extension. So once you activate this, it will ask, this will be the chat window, and right here you can basically need to log in right here, and then you can actually ask any sort of question. You can even attach files as well. So right here it will prompt you to log in right here. So you can basically sign in with the Google account as well. So once the sign up is complete, again you need to select the country. So once you create the account, you will get the free trial, and then you can ask any sort of question right here. So this is a very good tool, guys. Lingma, which is used Alibaba Cloud AI coding assistant, similar to Chat GPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Cursor. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.